Ono Obochori Bw'Abarai bekiombe kiriki abariki bechi university AOAO NIGO gwakorekana rero asensemo ya Keumbu meye county ya Kisii asa abariki bwabo bakora Obochori abo ase bachora Abarai AOAO abo bono barachi kobara nonye nabo nabanyabo NIGO Obochori obo obwarekana gotwara chitangutangu ase bono moteneni Obochori obwate abuna NIGO bagucha gokora obutuki bwabene kobatikana na masakara hayo atoka atanchiraniri as chinsemejo omoriketo ene kugichana na rero gotochakiri bene amaya chinsato korogete seni Soko TV.
Obochori Bw'Abarai bekiombe ky'abaroki gwabe chi university AOAO nigo bwakorekana rero asensemo ya Keumbu. Abaroki gwabwo nigo bakora Obochori obwo abwase bachora Abarai AOAO abubono barachikobara tureva minda nero chorwa koba omunyakero gobwe kiombe kyo Justin Mugaka ochorwa koba omo secretary general Esponikana Lenga nero chorwa koba omo communication director Peter Mugaka ni gatigara libagari yaye koba omugachi bwe kiombe kyo abwase Festation Mbongi nero atigara libagari yaye koba organizing secretary Keifan Moinde nero tigara libagari yaye koba omo director Bw'Abochenu.
Now with us are the results which have been stiff, though with other issues problems which will be sorted out later on a stipulated time. Now this is Nyaribari Church constituency Students Association election results. We had 3 sensitive positions. We had many, but other positions were unopposed. What I mean by unopposed is that they didn't have other contenders, so therefore they won automatically. Now I begin with the communication director, Isabella Mora got 61 votes. Esbon Kanarenga got 97 votes. We move to another sensitive position, which is the Secretary General. We had 3 competitors, that is Justin Mugaka, we had Ehud Mayoyo and Dixon Obiri. Dixon Obiri got 4 votes. We have Ehud Mayoyo got 72 votes. And Justin Mugaka got 80 votes. And Trevor Binda, 78 votes.
My name is Haliminda Trevor Machogu, the President Director of Nyaribari Judges Students Association. Exactly. First of all, I want to thank everyone who believed in me and casted his votes on me. Yes. I promise everyone I'm going to be the chairperson of everybody who did not vote for me and who voted for me. Yes. I'm going to make sure that the grievances of all comrades in our constituency are being given the top-notch priority. Yes. I'm going to be your chairman and the chairman of all people.
Nagokire sana sengencho mwangoro kiyo bamo bonene sana kombeka se association empune secretary general yaino. So ntobamo na inde tokore gasi kulingana muneta keire. Amen. Nje nabo kergo kyobo communication director. Abantu babirongo agina bakere mbuya mono. Bali mwa support abo Justus Mugaka. Babo Gideon Ngirigiti abagere mbuya mono bali mwezi bwacha. Kagitu abwira na problem mara tuare. Kagiti kura chinde chikara next year. Omotie nyonane. Na omogocha gocha mo na inu moteme. Kagitu abwire.
Nore nabo NIGO Obochori obwo bwarekana gotwara chitangutangu asomoteneneri Obochori obwate babuna NIGO baguchigokora obotuki kubwatekana na masakara yatoka tatakeire ase Obochori obwo.
This is Onyancha Bakli, the one who declared the elections, the results of Nyaribari Church constituency Students Association. Now we have held the elections, the results at the OCS office because they have had some issues which are not in order in the guidelines of the constitution of the Nyaribari Church constituency Student Association constitution. Therefore, we'll form a tribunal of a panel of 9 people of my executive, who are the IBC team, and the aspirants, so that we'll look on the way forward on the same. So this tribunal will hold it within 24 hours so that we soldier on and see the way forward on the results. Thank you so much.
Korwa ase ensemo ya Keumbu imea Nyaribari Church County ya Kisii Poika Broadcasting House and Soko TV Ninche Enoch Gichana Mosinto Onyambane.